back to another video, and today we're gonna install some little LED lights inside the Corolla hatchback, because the LED lights or the lights that it has inside are just bad. So let's get to it. God damn, it's bright. Now I was supposed to record oh my gosh, sorry. I was supposed to record this video yesterday, but I got lazy. And also I was doing the other video, which was pretty nice. I put it right here so you can watch it. It's pretty nice. It's one of my best works yet. Also, I think I need a better stabilizer because I keep shaking. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Probably me. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it's a cinematic. I went to a car meet. It was pretty cool. I think it came out great. What do y'all think? Watch it, please. It's really nice. But today, like I said, we're putting LEDs. I'm trying to find them. Alright, but basically, these are LEDs in here, and they're gonna go inside because these are just not that bright and they look ugly, especially when all the cars kind of like whitish. See, because even the speedometer is white and stuff. And then these lights just kind of like throw it off. So we're gonna end up replacing these. Now we're gonna keep them off because we obviously don't want them to turn on and be hot. It would just be bad. We can come with some little instructions, but it's not that much, and it's not vehicle specific. So yeah. Wait, is this mine? Nah. Do they also come in here? Oh, they do. Alright, that's a bet. Is there a trunk one? I'm not sure. It's probably a trunk one too. Yeah, there's a trunk one. Alright, let's get to it. Puts a bad angle, but F it. F it. There we go. There's the LED we took out this piece. I forgot, I don't even know what it's called, I'm gonna be honest. So let's get them out. There we go. Out with the old, and now in with the new. Ooh! Oh crap, that hole blinded me. Anyways, look, I'm gonna turn on again. Sheesh, that hole is bright. It is bright. But what's it called? What was I gonna say? Ah man, I forgot what I was gonna say. I had something in my mind. Oh man, that low-key blinded me a lot. Anyways, let's put it back then. Since I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, there we go. You ready? Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh no, the before and after. Oh man. I remember what I was gonna show. Damn it. Damn it. I'll probably do the before and after. I don't want to do all the work. You know what? Let's wait till it gets dark and I'll do the before and after. This one is pretty easy to install, so I'm not tripping. But let's just wait till dark. I realize if I don't do it right now, it's gonna get too dark and you won't be see anything. So I might as well do it right now. Here's the before and after. I mean, this is the before. Let's show you. I'm gonna show you right now. Ready? Go. Now before I for real get started on replacing these, look how it looks without the lights on. That's not, oh whatever. I'm gonna keep running. And then look how it looks with the lights on. Right? Now watch this difference. You ready? Well, I gotta first install it. soy santo, no estoy pecando, ahora me está buscando, ahora just let me. Y yo te lo doy. Me voy. No sabía. Yeah, baby. That's how it looks. That's crazy. Sheesh. Ah, damn it, I'm not even recording this part, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Just take this down, take the light bulb off, and put this one on. Sheesh. Oh shit. That scared me. Let's go. Take this part off. So we're good. Look at that. That's how bright it is. So look, originally with the lights, the other lights, you wouldn't, even with the mom, you wouldn't really be able to see me. But now with these, wow, look at that difference. You can honestly see me way better. You can see the back way better. Everything, anything that's inside, you can see anything. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And let's put this turn on these. Bam. It's like Las Vegas up in here. Watch. Let's go inside. See inside of that hole. Alright. Y'all ready for the after cinematic? We'll do it right now. Man, I was sweating even though I had an AC inside here. But look, this is how it's gonna look with just one light. One of the front lights. It's not that bad. And I hope you like that before and after schematic. Oh my gosh, spot focus, stop it. There we go. Look at that. That's so crazy. And I'll turn off this one. Let's turn on the middle one. See, the back just lights up really nice now. And even in front, there's still some light. Oh, let me turn on one more. But yeah, this is what these LEDs do, and they're great at it. Like, oh my gosh, whoever invented LEDs was a genius man or woman. I don't know who invented it, but they're so great. And they don't take that much power. That what makes them also great. Well, oh my gosh, spot focus. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this installation of my car and the update. Probably next, I'll probably get a splitter or rear diffuser or some side skirts. We don't know. Also, I'm gonna start school next week, and it took away so much of my money. But that's what I get for going U of H, am I right? Like I said, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And don't be sure to check out my latest video. I'm gonna put it again, if you'll let me. If not, I'll put it in the end credits. And of my cinematic. And please watch it. I really like it. I really like it. One of my best creations. But like I said, thank you. Thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, I'm saying thank you too much. Oh well. Thank you. I can't express myself. Please like and subscribe. Let's go.